Okay, welcome back guys. So in here I will tell you about Claude and versus uh, ChatGPT versus DeepSeek. So in last video we go through the homepage, but maybe I want to adding some animation for more better UI. So maybe I want to make like can you adding uh, an animation for better UI UX for my homepage? So make it to 500 times better for people seeing it. Maybe like this, right? We want to use this as Claude 2, and we want to check this as a DeepSeek 2. And we want to use the enhanced homepage with smooth animation, hover effects, and scrolling interaction using iOS animate on scroll and custom chest animation. This is smooth fade in animation, hover effects, scrolling animation, and smoother transition. So we have the bootstrap and style, and we have a hero about course, but they still generates. So and we want to check. Oh, the server is busy. I don't really like this for DeepSeek, so maybe we will try again. And okay, this one is animation for the Laravel homepage. Anything about purchase for historical, the practical light, the basic CSS, with the also. So I really like this about DeepSeek. And then we have our in here custom CSS, and this is already have script in the Claude. In here we want to copy this as our in here we want to check the Claude in here. So how about we check? This is the basic, and we want to check the differences using the Claude animation. Wow, nice. So it's more better than before, but in here they see previous array remains the same. So we want to copy this as our previous array, and here PHP course, and we want to check this as our from here PHP course in here. This is our using DeepSeek, so using Claude. So what do you guys think for using the Claude? So this is animation in here. Learn Python, machine learning AI, and data visualization, we explore course. So this is the student course, after everything, and about, and get in touch. And we have here the ChatGPT. We want to check using ChatGPT. We just copy paste in here, so we can see this is the ChatGPT. So what you guys think for the difference about animation in ChatGPT and Claude like this? So yeah, it's basic animation, not too good, but not too bad also, I think. So yeah, and we have a DeepSeek in here, and we just copy paste this DeepSeek in here, and we want to check the DeepSeek. variable course is not. Maybe I want to check. This is our course for each course, and then the DeepSeek is there's an error in DeepSeek, so I want to check the data course URL and ref. So you want to use the DeepSeek for each title URL, and this is the in the course grid for each course as index course card. Maybe we want this as wants to copy this and to copy in here, but I will adding and this is there's a course we want to adding the course before, and here is our for each for course, and here is course, and for each course as index and course scroll animation. Okay, animation bestseller. Wait a minute. So I'll copy this, and in here we want to add like this, right? So as score for each course as index scores, title and URL. How about this right now? So it still have unexpected and off file. What? Ready, and for each in here there's okay, we want to check again our but this we want to in here. For each and for each transaction delay, we want to diff course card and hat trick first title enroll now. It should be undefined variable index, which is the index. Set index course as index for each. Okay, in here like for each course, this is have and for each course, each you have. I'm a little confused in here. For each you have courses as course, and you want to use this as course transition delay in here, and we want to delete this. How about now? It's still error because how about we just using this, and we want to check again in here. So this is the using. So what is this? So yeah, I don't know what is it. So yeah. How about we just using the error for like, so we just copy this and we want to check the in here and different variable course and different. Yeah, I'm so lazy to think, so and while we wait, we want to check again the differences, and seems fine, but actually this Claude is maybe a lot not really better from before, right? So it's too much. I don't like this, so maybe we want to how about Claude in here. Um, X74, but in here in the hero section is too big, so maybe make a little small rather than bigger like that. So how about we use this as a prompt, and maybe we want to photo this in here. Yeah. And how about the DeepSeek? This is the ChatGPT is, yeah, it's too basic, but how about uh, using a colorful color rather than rather than gray like that? Seems like it was boring. I don't want boring homepage, so make more powerful color for tag branding homepage. But we use this as a prompt. So like deep blue, neons, anti-inspire gradients, powerful contrast, sleek hover effects, better button animation, eye-catching. So while we wait, we want to check our. So what is this? Why it generate 5 footer, the data, and what's the difference? I don't know the difference in here. So yeah, we want to check body, and we want to adding in here the course, PHP course. In here, we want to check again the DeepSeek. Yeah, it's more better than before, right? So I like this. So okay, and in here we already have this. this. Yeah, it's cannot anymore, so the server is busy. I don't know what's going on in DeepSeek, so yeah, it always like that. So I don't know about you guys, but my DeepSeek always like, yeah, the server busy. Yes. Alright, I use course as variable, but didn't explain where it should come from. The server probably just copy the current inside of the data in the control. Yeah, I don't want to think a lot because yeah, I'm too lazy to think because yeah, we want to make the AI more learn about my needs, right? So yeah, we want to copy this. We want to check again in ChatGPT, and we want to check. Damn. Oh my god, it's I think it's too colorful, right? So it's too neon, too I don't know. I don't know what to say about this. It's good, but too good. Not too good, but I don't know. I think it's a little cheesy, right? So yeah, I think it's a little cheesy for this. And yeah, so we want to update your for each course controller. So in roots PHP, we want to course controller, we want to this. Okay. I think I'm too lazy to use the controller, but fine, I will use the controller in here, and we want to use the course controller, right? So controller Laravel. In here we want to use this as our we want to use make the course controller for DeepSeek. So course controller, and we want to put guest controller and get the controller PHP like this, and public index. We see this as public function on page, and we want to using this as a root also, and web to have this. So control index, import our class, and we want to get change the in here. We want to use the for each in here. How about this? Is there any error again? So yeah, it's still getting an error. Yeah. Actually, I was, too lazy to think because different variable course. How about you make the course like before, right? In the blade, in the blade. Okay, in here. Like this. Like this before. This is maybe we want to delete this, and we want to delete the controller, and well, we get, I think it's too colorful rather than being perfect branding in text homepage. Do you see the other homepage? It has a clean and perfect color. Perfect color, not too much. And the neon is also too much. Modern, clean, professional tech branding homepage aligned with industry standard like Google AI, NVIDIA, OpenAI, or IBM, really colorful but slick, minimal and futuristics. Balanced color palettes, minimal UI, professional typography and spacing, smart info translation, and more structured layout. This is our home page. So yeah, keep footer and script the same. So this is our div class container. So this is our DeepSeek again, div class container until div like this, and for each oops index. So is there any? Yes. Damn. What do you guys think? This is the DeepSeek. I don't know about you guys, but I don't really like this color. But yeah, it's not that good, but not bad also. So what do you guys think? Yeah. Alright. Reserve. Lastly, we want to check our home for so this. What do you guys think? This is the ChatGPT, this is the DeepSeek, and this is the Claude. So I think Claude is win because Claude is better for the front end. In my experience, and I make a lot of front end using Claude. So yeah, if you want to compare, the Claude is more better output rather than ChatGPT and DeepSeek. But you know, if I see the DeepSeek is better too, but yeah, not really. So yeah, but ChatGPT is, I think, worse because I don't use ChatGPT for front end. I just use ChatGPT for the back end, and then the common like content, ebook or something. So we will go through that later for ebook. So see you guys in next video. Thank you.